In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram stories bad video quality after uploading. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, maybe you went ahead and recorded something or you got something from your album or anything like that, and it was good quality. Then when you posted it on your story or as a post, the quality went really bad, it went pixelated, and it looks kind of bad. So you can do this on iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter what you have, but firstly, open up your Instagram application. It's going to look like this. On the bottom right, click on your profile icon. Then on the top right, click those three little lines. And then from here, all you want to go ahead and do is scroll down. You're going to see a lot of different options. But towards the bottom, you're going to see the Your App and Media section. And in that, you're going to see media quality. So click on that. And basically what you want to do is upload at highest quality, which is the second option. It says always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So you always want to make sure that you're uploading at the highest quality. So have that enabled and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.